stuff the chicken like this next time. To start this recipe, we will need 2 chicken breast fillets. I'm going to cut them in half like this. And for seasoning, I'll add a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of paprika, oregano to taste, and spread it well with my fingers. We'll also need 1 tomato, and I will slice it. After that, I'll cut slices of mozzarella cheese. Our recipes are only sent to those who interact, so leave a like and tell me the city where you're watching us from so I can send you a special hug. To continue, on half of the chicken, I'm going to add 2 slices of cheese, the tomato, and I'm going to close with the other half. Then I will make small cuts on the chicken. Be sure to make this recipe at home and come back to tell me how it turned out. We'd love to know. Now, in a baking dish, I'm going to put a little bit of oil and spread it well with a brush. Then, I'm going to add the chicken and season it with salt, paprika, a dash of olive oil, and with the help of a brush, I'm going to spread it well, adding the spices between the cuts. Guys, this recipe is very easy to make, and it's so delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Finally, I'll take it to the preheated oven at 200 degrees for 50 minutes. And our recipe is ready. Now just cut a piece and enjoy. Oh, and tell me how you usually make chicken in your house. I love to know new and delicious recipes. I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!